Ooh, this one's a lot of fun to talk about. So the shorter catheters got me more successful stick rates, but they didn't last very long. And it's great for the ER, but it's no good anywhere else because we need those catheters to long for more than 2 or 3 days. So the more that the catheter is inside of the vein, the longer it's going to last because it's less likely to decannulate. There's more distance required for it to come out. Okay, so what decannulates it? I'm glad you asked. Reason number one, the skin is very loose. So what happens is, even though the hub is anchored at the skin, it's not anchored inside the vein. So when that skin moves a couple centimeters, you're pulling out of the vein a couple centimeters. And so you've actually decannulated because of the shifting of the skin, not the vein. So if you've only got like 0.5 to 1 centimeter of catheter left in you, even a 1.5 centimeter left in there, that 2 centimeter shift is going to definitely pull it out, not including rolling veins that shifted the other way. Reason number 2 is hydrodynamics. Let's use firefighter's hose as a metaphor. What happens with that high volume of pressure? What happens when we let go of that, when the firefighters let go of that hose? It's going to fly all over the place. In fact, it's not just going to do this, it's going to do this. So the hydrodynamics is going to push that catheter out of the vein, especially when there wasn't enough cannulated inside of the vein. Also keep in mind, even though you flush beautifully with a decent amount of force and it did well, doesn't mean that the other flushes aren't going to slowly push it out over time during the life of that catheter. This is why I prefer 4.5 or longer for all my PIV insertions. So if you have insight on other ways that the IV can decannulate, let me know because I'd love to find out. Drop that knowledge on us and don't forget to follow.